What's going on YouTube? Hardcore Pyro here, and today I'm going to be going through my 2020 Firework Stash. Just picked up some more stuff. I got a Paradise Cake here. I got a Noise Cake here, Sound, 100 shot. Destroyer 25. Oh wait, no, it's 49 shot. Storm. Monkey. Company. Blood. Case of the orange cans and a case of blue. Fiesta Cake. Rooster. Dog. And these shells that I just got from my guy that said these are super loud, and they are. Very nice consumer shells, probably one of the best ones I've seen on the market. And then we got a Ghouls and Goblin, another one, another new blood, a dog, company, another dog, looks like my dog, alert, 100 shot, Noab, a nice 3-inch Weeping Willow Noab, Angel Cake, Shrooms, Summer, another 3-inch Noab, Night Cake, Star, State of the Union from Brothers, and then a bag of stuff in here from my girlfriend. A couple of the things she's picked out, like Knickknacks and whatnot. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Some Saturn missiles, some triple break shells I got a couple years ago. A butterfly cake, it's a big one. My racks, we got my 12 shot, 5 shot, 6, 10, box of goodies, and then we got a Midwest Storm, and then a candy down there. A couple other little things from my mom that she picked out, sparklers and stuff in there. So a couple Mortar Tubes down here. It's from last year, my Black Widows. This is from the triple break shells from World Class. But yes, that's my stash. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.